Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about rolling with intention, or using your reach to roll where you want to roll, to make your roll do different things for you. In other words, we're going to reach in different places and it's going to change how we roll, and it's going to feel amazing. And if you're not rolling is one movement that you really want to do every single day. It is so good for your body, so good for your nervous system, but it allows you to have access to you, to your body. And what I mean is it allows your body to move really well, and when your body moves really well, your emotions are going to be much better. Your emotions will be really well, and so will your thoughts. So how you move affects how you feel and how you think, and rolling is one of those movements that just makes everything better. So what we're going to do is we're just going to roll at different vectors with our reach. And we've done this before, maybe. Some of us have. But where I reach determines how my roll feels. And it determines what happens inside of my roll. So I can reach in these different vectors, but I can also reach up here. Or I can really reach. And no matter where I reach, it alters the roll. So to give you a different angle, I love these new mics, but it's just heavy and they move everywhere and they get up near my face, and well, it probably annoys you as much as it does me. But so again, I can reach down here, I can reach up towards you, or I can reach that way or that way or that way. The point is, you need to be rolling, and it's really good to explore all the different ways you can roll, and using your intention or your reach, like you're reaching for something. That's really how we learn to roll anyway. And you can use that intention and reach to hit different areas of your body and to rotate your spine in different ways, to use your abdominals in different ways. And all the while, though, you want to lead with your eyes and your head, right? That's really where the intention comes from. Like you're using your eyes and head to help facilitate the roll. So notice my head drives with the reach as well. All right? All right. So that's our tip this week. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.